Hi there, students. To immerse, a verb. Immersion, the noun, the quality. Okay, so to immerse means to put something in liquid so that it's completely covered, it's under the surface. Mind you, it could also be a gas, but most commonly it's a liquid. So during the photographic process, you need to take the paper and immerse it in the developing fluid. You need to immerse this in boiling water for 10 minutes. Okay, so to immerse, to cover completely in a liquid, to submerge, to put completely inside. Okay, so immersion, to immerse, immerse the clothes in the dye and leave them for 20 minutes. So to plunge, to dip, to dunk, okay, to put in completely. But this word immerse very often we use as well to we use this figuratively, meaning to involve yourself in an activity, to become completely involved in something. So when I start to read a book, I become completely immersed in it. I was immersed in the story. Or maybe you are learning about the history of 17th century London, and you immerse yourself in it. You become completely involved in it. You are deeply involved in this activity. So you're absorbed, you're engrossed, you're completely engaged by it. So he immersed himself in his work. It's like you take yourself and you plunge yourself under the surface of this liquid, but metaphorically, of course. Okay, so he immersed himself in his career. He became completely involved in it. Okay, so to submerge something in a liquid, the electrodes of the battery should be completely immersed in the battery acid. They should be completely covered by it. Let's see. There is an idea of learning English where you go for immersion. Is where you, for a period of time, you do not speak your native language and you do not meet with anybody who can speak your native language. So you need to do everything in the target language, and immersion, in my opinion, is one of the very best ways of learning a language. If you go and stay, when you're young, if you go and stay with a British family for a month in the summer, this is immersion. Okay, this is where you are completely immersed, you're completely submerged or covered in the language. So, you are completely immersed in what you are learning. Okay, so a scholar can be immersed in the subject that they're learning, to be completely, deeply engaged in it. He's so immersed in his problems that he can't look at this objectively. He's just immersed in it. So I guess plunged into something, dipped, submerged, bathed, and then metaphorically engrossed, absorbed, completely engaged. He wishes that he had more time to immerse himself in his family life. So you immerse yourself. Very often this is a reflexive verb as well. Okay, so to immerse, this is rather formal. I think I'm going to give this 6.5, maybe even a 7. Use it. Semi-formal conversation, yes. Semi-formal writing, definitely, and something very formal as well. And then as to origin, it comes from mersus, or in Latin, or in mergo. Mergo talking about to dip into, to overwhelm, yeah, or to plunge into. Yeah, this comes from Proto-Indo-European, mezg, to dip or to plunge into something. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Immerse.